Hello Edis, today I'm finished third unit of first block. Book code is BEGS 183. So now we start improving grammar and punctuation skill. So here we see what we can do to improve our grammar or punctuation skill. So we begin from here. So let's see. Here is this probable hard spot for ESL learner. So see the conditional. So first I explain conditional give structure how we write our sentence. So here first we see first conditional. In first condition we begin our sentence from if plus present tense and main clause is will plus infinitive plus consequence. So here is example, if I hear any news I will ring you. So here we begin our sentence with if I hear and I hear any news. It shows a conditional clause. It means present tense, and here is I will ring you. It means it's a main clause. I hope you understand. Next one we can see, if he does not come on time we will go without him. Next one is, if my fathers get to know about this he will be very upset. I hope you understand first clause. First clause always begin with if plus present tense and then ending with will. Okay, I hope you can make sentence on your own also. Present means that's going on now, and will we use for future. It means we have future result, so that we write at the end, but present we write in first position, and it's imaginary, it's not happen, it's imaginary, and we can say maybe it will happen. Second conditional. So here we see first how we do second conditional. This one is also imaginary. Okay, in a conditional clause we begin with if plus past tense. Whatever we write that's in past, but in past that things not happen, we only imagine. And main clause could will plus infinitive. So here is example written, so we read this. If I had money I will buy a home in Kasoli. I hope you understand. We write in past. If in past, अगर हमारे पास पास्ट में इतने अगर पैसे होते तो हम क्या कर लेते, क्या बाय कर लेते, हाउस बाय कर लेते कसोली में. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो लेट्स वी बिगिन इन नेक्स्ट वन. थर्ड कंडीशनल. सो सी व्हाट्स कमिंग इन थर्ड कंडीशनल. We begin from if plus past perfect and then main clue could might plus have plus past participant. So we can see example here. If I hadn't eaten too much I wouldn't have feel sick, but I did eat a lot and I did feel sick. If you had taken a taxi, you wouldn't have missed the train. I hope you understand this. We continue. Here we write a perfect that's happened in past. I hope you understand these three conditional. Not only these conditional come, zero conditional also come in this, but in this book it's not written. So we not go or had on zero condition, we do only three. In first condition I hope you understand, if plus present and come result, that's come in future. And in this begin with if, all come with if, because it's in our imaginary, or we can say it will happen, but in this condition it's not happen, it's in past. If I did this then we get this, so this happen, and it's also in past. But in first condition we can say maybe it will happen. Okay, I hope you understand these three conditionals. So let's see punctuation. Here is punctuation. So let's see. While we have extensively discuss grammar, we intend to be brief here where punctuation is concerned. Our emphasis will be on problems area which is you as a student face in your writing. Have you ever asked yourself the question, why do we need punctuation? आपने कभी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा अपने से, हमें पंचुएशन की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? क्योंकि हम जो भी हम लिख रहे हैं, जो भी हमें प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, ठीक है, उनसे वो जो हम एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हैं वो ठीक तरीके से एक्सप्लेन हम कर पाएँ, उसमें पंचुएशंस को ऐड करेंगे, देन वी एबल टू say clearly, otherwise people misunderstanding is also going on without punctuation. So let's see. Well, punctuation is required to clarify your writings through the idea so that your reader can understand you easier. अगर आप पंचुएशन का यूज़ करेंगे, यूज़ करने से क्या होगा, जो आपका रीडर है दैट्स एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड योर आइडिया, कि आपका आइडिया क्या है, आप क्या लिखना चाहते हैं, है, और वो रीडर है जो इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएगा विद पंचुएशन. बट विदाउट पंचुएशन इट्स difficult to for us also, not only for reader. Normally if we read any book we also feel irritated if we're not able to understand. Just as you pushing tone of voice, rhythm help your listeners to emphasize your speech and attitude, punctuations does much the same for our writer words. जो पंचुएशन होता है, हम कौन सी टोन का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कौन से रिदम का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इससे क्या क्या शो करता है कि हमारा जो राइटर है, राइटर्स के वर्ड का पता लगता है वो किस तरीके से चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, क्या बोलना चाहता है, मेन आइडिया को हम समझ पाएंगे. Here we see example, confusing and clear. The teacher called the children's name clear. Called the the teacher called the children's name. So second one is more clear than confusing. In confusing we can say the teacher called the children names. So we're not able to understand. But in clear we can read here the teacher called the children's name. So it's clear to us. टीचर क्या बोल रहा है, चिल्ड्रंस के नेम्स को बोल रहा है. I think you all know about full stop and question mark. Full stop, when we use full stop when we complete our sentence, the time we use full stop. But if we ask any question, if we have any doubt or any type of question, in this case we use question mark. But in other case, but you do not use a question mark after the indirect question, such as जो indirect question होते हैं उसमें आप question mark का use नहीं करेंगे, जैसे कि Pushpa asked me why I was late. So in this case, in this sentence we not add any question mark. I hope you understand. And next example we also take, Devinder wonders why his student always forget their notebook at home. This one is also question, but here we not write any question. Why is it happen? Because it's a indirect questions. In indirect question we not write any question mark. Here is exclamatory mark. I think you all studied this in your school time also. So here I discuss in a short way. In a strong emotion we use exclamation mark. If you have any strong emotion you can write this exclamation mark. I think comma, in a right way of pronunciation of this word comma, but you can say comma also, because as an Indian we use comma, we call comma, but correct pronunciation is comma. So whatever you use, I also know you know about where we use comma. This can be a tricky area, so will show make you aware of certain rule of must follow. Use a comma a separate two independent or main clause joined of a. Why we use comma? Comma we use with and. Like if we have 2 item, 3 item, 4 item. So where we have 2 item and 3 item, we have 3 4 item, like she buy mango fruit and she buy mango and guava. So it's come with and. But if we use 3 and 4 sentences, like she buy orange, mango and grapes. So in this at the end I use and no use of at the end, no use of comma, because at the end we use and. It's not applicable with two clauses, it's applicable when we have more than two. So now we semicolon. So let's see where we use semicolon. Use a semicolons to link two closer related independent closures. When we use two closures, there we use semicolon. I think you know about this. Here we see quotation mark. Quotation mark, when we use the times we wanna highlight anything. If we have any quotation, we can say if we have we read any writers spoken things, and we say to somebody else, so that we write in a highlighted way. Suppose I take example, she said to me, she said. In this I can use comma in a next sentence, and then what I use, then I say she said, why you were not come in school or in college. So let's see. Here we see apostrophe. Apostrophe we use for contraction, like uh, it is my cat. Okay, it is my cat. Without using it is, we can use comma, and then I can say it's my cat. Okay, I hope you understand this. So with a contraction, like I write here, it is my cat. So I use like this, but in a, it is my cat. In apostrophe, like I write this answer, this sentence, these two sentences in apostrophe, we not like this. Like if we not give so give suppose like it is, she is, we not like this, we write like this. Here I write example, it's my cat. We not write it is my cat, it's my cat. We like this in apostrophe. So here we see, now we come on dash, where we use dash. I think we left colon, so first we go ahead colons, why we use this, and then we understand dash. You already know that a colon is used to introduce a long list. If we wanna introduce a long list, in this case we use colon. Like oil is of three kind: mineral, vegetable, and animal. Okay, like this we use, here we use colon. In the same way we can use, we can left this and we can use this one also. Okay, I hope you understand. Dash also, why we use dash, in this case we take example of this. The river is polluted, there is a chemical factory upstream. Let's see where we use hyphen. Hyphen can join two or more words together. Why we use hyphen? Hyphens two or more words को जोड़ने के लिए, दो words को जोड़ने के लिए hyphen का use करते हैं. Like blue eyes, like this. Out of date information. So out, and then we use hyphen, and after of, then we use hyphen. So like this we use hyphen for join two or more words. I hope you understand. When an adjective is made up of two or more words, a hyphen is used. When we have two, if we can say if we have two and more words, when adjective में बनाने के लिए, तो हम किस तरीके का यूज़ करेंगे, हम हाइफन का उसमें यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल लिखा है, रीता इज़ आ 2-year-old girl, but Rita is 2-year-old. So here we use hyphen after 2 and after year. I hope you understand this chapter. We can say this unit and this first block is finished here, and I give some questions. You can do check your progress third. Here is question, and here is also you can write this question answers. Then you able to write in your exams in very well way. Here is also check your progress fourth, and I think no question in punctuation. I hope you understand this video, and if you're not able to understand, again watch. I hope you definitely wish, and all the best for your exam. Thank you. Bye bye.